today. I choose affirmations that transform how I live and how I act. I am aware of how I have been living. I am aware of my patterns, my habits, my repeated choices. I see clearly. I see what I have created. I see the results of my actions and the results of my inaction. I understand. My environment reflects me. My space reflects my mind. My habits shape my reality. I no longer avoid this truth. I face it, I accept it. I see it clearly. I acknowledge the version of me who delayed, the version of me who ignored, the version of me who chose comfort over action. I acknowledge the moments I knew what to do and did nothing. I acknowledge the times I saw disorder and walked past it. This is not judgment, this is clarity. And clarity gives me power now. I choose differently. I choose awareness. I choose responsibility. I choose action. When I see, I become aware. When I become aware, I act. I train myself to respond immediately to what I see. I do not delay. I do not negotiate. I do not postpone. I move. I do not neglect my life. I do not neglect my space. I do not neglect what matters. I choose a life of order, a life of clarity, a life of direction. I raise my standards. I raise the way I live. I raise what I accept. I no longer accept disorder. I no longer accept carelessness. I no longer accept neglect. I am human. I am not driven by impulse. I am not controlled by laziness. I am not ruled by comfort. I am a being who chooses. I am a being who acts. I am a being who creates. I live with intention. I move with awareness. I act with purpose. And this is who I am now. take action. I move now. I start with small things. I take care of what I see. I create a clean and organized space. I bring order to everything I use, where I sleep, where I eat, where I wash, where I work. Every space is clean and in order. I create this environment and I maintain it. I no longer lie down anywhere. I no longer leave things wherever I want. I no longer eat carelessly and leave it behind. I carry myself with discipline. I move with respect. I create structure. I do not act like an animal. I act with awareness. I live in a clean and ordered space. That space clears my mind. That space sharpens my focus. The quality of my life rises. My satisfaction rises. I am a person who creates a clean environment. I am a person who maintains it. I am a person of action. I am a person of order. I am a person who manages my life. I create my life because I act. My life changes because I maintain. My life continues to improve. Now I move. I take action. I